I told y'all. No, I gotta do an intro. I'm stupid. What's your asking 77? Welcome to NBA 2K20. I know 2K21's out. I don't have the money to go buy that. I'm too lazy. So we're gonna get 2K21 20, but with mod. So basically, it's like 2K. It's like 2K13 gameplay and style with the 2020 rosters with like John Morant's like on Williamson basically. And I'm gonna be rebuilding the yes. If you want to yes LeBron and Anthony Davis on the same team, yes, this is that year. So basically we're gonna be booting around RJ Barrett, which will be fun, I suppose. And I just legit got this game, so I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to this game. So this should be fun for all of us. I'm gonna have to turn that music off in the background unless I'm gonna get copyrighted. So there you go, it's gone now. I do not want to get copyrighted by any means necessary. If we have an off day, we can play the Spurs. I've only played this game a couple times off camera, so I know like how the controls and stuff work. The Knicks are 75 overall. I'm pretty way this way. If LeBron and AD are on the same team, does that mean? Oh no, we're done for this. Why do I think this is even gonna work? Okay, I guess we just like simulate through day, I suppose. No, I think do we really want? No, I don't think we want. Let's get into our first. Okay, there it's play game. I was so confused what that happened. I was like wondering if you're not wondering why there's no sound. Oh, it's nothing. We're obviously gonna play as the away team. I don't think I can choose anyway. We're gonna wear our iconic jerseys. They're gonna wear their unlocking my career. Why do I need to play my career? But if you want to see me play my career, leave a like and I'll most likely do it. But for views, I will make a my career video because let's not. Yes, you saw that. Shut up. Okay, here we go.
Well, we can finally say it. The NBA regular season.
There you go. This is the big old Bobby in the post for 31. RJ Barrett, man.
And so off the tip, it's New York. Now Smith takes a three. Portis, an amazing finish with a hand right in his face.
He got a great read of where that miss was going, and that allowed him to be the first guy to it and get the putback.
Outside, Walker. Right side to Walker. Has to open. Uncovered. Another shot, and that's 2 points.
That's still
On the play, and that's what it takes to be a great offensive rebound. He's got to be relentless.
Now here is Smith. Now let's find out what Coach Greg Popovich had to say to Doris Burke. Doris?
I just said Doris and nothing happened.
That was a quick foul there. The refs are certainly calling it close.
Let's go Doris.
He'll go to the stripe for 2. He's getting his first
Dennis Smith from
right now.
North Carolina State. I knew that. Dennis Smith.
And the second free throw, good. About 1 minute into the first quarter. Here's White. Pass to DeRozan. The kick out to Walker. Pass the arc. Can't get it to go. Barrett. Right through the knee for the layup.
And like I said, if you want to difficulty, it's legit on pro difficulty because I tried on All-Star and it was just like legit impossible. And now you should be like playing with the Knicks.
First quarter of play with about a minute and a half gone.
Gonna be like your typical
Here's White.
in the park game.
Back to DeRozan. Pass to White.
Don't go for it.
6 to shoot. Aldridge backing in. DeRozan. Here's Walker. And the 3 off target. To the middle. Smith inside. Kept alive. Freer. That's good.
Forced a tough inside shot but made a terrific kick out to find the open jumper instead.
Guys, they're looking for a way to score here.
Yeah, they've had a tough time getting the lid off the basket so far.
So it's San Antonio now, trailing by 5.
And another thing you see him do a lot and do very well is draw and dish. Brings defenders to him in the low post and then kicks the ball out to the wide open teammate if he's double teamed.
Just over 2.5 minutes played here so far in the first quarter. Here's Walker. Aldridge up on top. Pass to DeRozan. Now Walker fires from the corner. Shot is off.
Boy, that's a warm-up jumper there. I mean, when you're a pro, you can't make excuses for missing that.
Freer. And it's White with the rebound.
Well, that's an excellent challenge right there. Good job contesting that shot by the defender.
Right side to Walker. Here's White. Back to Walker. Left side Walker. Pass to White. Just 5 to shoot. On the top of the key. Hurdle. And 2 free throws coming up as he misses that one. Drawing the whistle. Free throw line.
He made one, misses one. Take that.
And he's good on the 3 ball. He has 7.
They've got themselves in front with some outstanding shooting right off the bat.
Just over 3.5 minutes gone here in the first. Walker with it. Still getting warmed up offensively. No buckets yet in the game for him.
I don't think somebody out camera or am I just I'm gonna simulate
right side to Walker. From out on the wing, he knocks it down.
I know the call that.
And here's Smith.
Smith.
Tries from 16.
Yeah, and Green's gonna automatic make.
Awesome
He's trying to
defense. I mean, he'll hit those unless you're right in his grill.
So I think 2K around. I know what 2K is. I know how to play it. It's not hard.
Here's a good screen.
I'm just like, oh, someone's gonna hit with a big body screen. That's what happens.
Pass to Aldridge. Here's White.
Oh, was he going to go right this way? Yeah, interesting.
And here's Smith. Smith outside. Puts it up from 15. And he nails the jumper. Here's White. Right side to Walker. From the arc. No luck. The Knicks with the lead. Smith outside. Freer. And the Knicks hit again from deep.
That is not enough coverage. Got to do better than that defensively. Basically, no coverage. I mean, defense did not look very good.
This is a screen he's expected to be good. Very unique. What the heck is happening? Oh, I can't see that, but I think that says the Knicks. Oh, it's cool. I can't see it. That's nothing. But yeah, we're back into it. I don't know what happened. We're back. We're by 7 still. I didn't choke the lead.
Now here is Smith.
Oh, I have to shoot.
Freer.
Take it through. That's another splash.
You know, they've got to make him earn those threes. You play off of him, and he's automatic from that distance.
Hard.
Outside, Walker.
He really didn't shoot that. He really
Pass
that's
to
what
White.
the 2K showed you.
Now here's Walker. Left side, Walker. Into LaMarcus Aldridge. And the layup's good off the glass.
I feel like
He has 6.
had to pull out outside, but it's something I did.
Now Smith.
I want to see over there. Right over there. There he is. After that pick.
Barrett.
I was like, Barrett missing the
Can't get it to
wide
go.
open jumper. That was easy.
Now
He
here's
just
Walker.
missed it. Come on, Isaac. Oh, man. Oh, God.
Pulls up on the
Wait.
elbow.
Great.
And another basket for San Antonio. Smith outside. Shot from the wing. And yes, sir, that one drops. San Antonio trailing here.
There you go.
Pass to Aldridge.
Double team Aldridge. Dolan.
Stolen.
Lost it.
And here they come. Randall. Big dunk at the end of the break.
Big dunk by Julius Randle. I'm actually having a lot of fun if you can't tell. So yeah, the game crash.
Trailing here.
There's no other way for me to describe it. He didn't know where he was on the court. That's a...
And he knocks down the first one.
To be Allen from Arizona. Knocking down the first free throw.
And Allen drops them both. He hits them both. Here's Payton. No good on that last second attempt there. Scoring pretty well as we conclude the first quarter. Knicks on front. And the second quarter will be
It's a
on.
good scoring game.
All right, the second quarter beginning in just a moment. And looking at what we've seen from the Knicks so far, what do you guys think?
I'll leave these two videos video. I'll do my camera eventually. In this video, I'm gonna record this video a little late.
Pass to DeRozan.
Maybe tomorrow.
Now Walker, Harkless with the steal. Knox. Tough to finish it off. Beauty.
So when you're watching this video, it'll be today, but the next video, it'll be tomorrow. Get it?
San Antonio with the ball. 9-point game.
And if you like the content of the show, you can always subscribe, you know. It helps the channel a lot. Makes me get more.
Here's DeRozan. Here's DeRozan.
To see my face. Hopefully I see my
Murray.
face.
The second chance effort. Rebound by Smith.
Well, he won't miss many of those, especially with the defender not in the best of positions there.
And the basket good.
They're forcing the ball inside, and it's working beautifully.
Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Charles.
Both loose.
It's really tough to do that. I don't want to do that.
Pass to Walker. Now Gabe. Clock at 6. Makes no mistake on the open jump shot. He has 6.
Boy, he made a nice little bounce pass there. We call that a pocket pass, and he did it well.
Back to Gibson. A minute and a half gone here in the second quarter. The 9-foot shot. And there's another one for the Knicks.
Gibson.
They could use a big shot here to get this offense going.
Sure could, Kev. I mean, too many empty trips. They need some points.
Pass to Walker. Lets it go from deep. And that one's good.
A wide open 3. They need much better communication defensively.
Smith outside. It's off his foot. And it's whistled a kick. The Knicks making a switch here. And we're about 2 minutes into the second quarter here. Trier. And the Knicks miss again.
Kevin, just enough presence to bother that three-point attempt there.
Now here's DeRozan. The feather touch on the finger roll. Beautiful.
He had his choice of finishing moves there, and you just gotta love the fact he went old school with the finger roll.
Smith right side. Wasted no time on that one. He's got 8. San Antonio trailing here. DeRozan on the wing. And we're now a little over 2.5 minutes into the second quarter. Pass to Aldridge. Back to DeRozan. Shot clock at 6. Here's White. Fires from deep. Offensive rebound. And he bangs it home with one hand. So it's the Knicks now. They've led by as many as 11 points. To the inside. Out to Smith. Six on the shot clock. Portis. Shot to that. Now Gabe. 6 points for him. Outside, Walker. Pass to White. Closing in on 4 minutes play here in the second quarter.
Most of the time, that shot will go down. Boy, the defenders have to make sure they tag it.
And it's out of bounds to the Knicks as New York retains possession. On defense, the Spurs. They trail by 7. Kirkless. And what was that about? Not a good shot right there. Walker with it. 10 points for him. Pass to White. Off target at the rim.
Well, what appeared to be an easy 2 points just never materialized.
Trier. Good on the 3-point shot. He's got 11. He's picking up right where he left off.
If we do make this a series, which you need to get the 2 views on, I'll make the next video, and expect these videos to be like 30 minutes long. Like these videos are 10, 25 to like 30 minutes.
Here's Carroll.
Can take like a little while before you actually
Pass to Walker. Now Aldridge. Backs him down. From past the arc. No good. Here's the break. Beautiful dish, and the layup goes down. 13 points in the game. Here's White. Trains it from 17 feet out.
Boy, he's got a real comfort level with the mid-range game. I mean, he's got the ability not to let the defense bother him when he's locked into that shooting zone.
Smith outside. Just 5 on the clock. Stolen by Walker. Fires the 3. Can't get it to go. That's against LaMarcus Aldridge.
Gucci.
Trier. It's tipped.
We've just seen him make mistakes on back-to-back trips. But those turnovers could have been avoided. Careless mistakes.
Aldridge left side. Walker. Here's Carroll. He's been patient so far. Nothing yet on the score. Clock at 6. Right side to Walker. It's deflected.
It's a +5 advantage for them in the rebounding category after that board.
Smith outside. Here we go, one-on-one. Looking to get back on track here. Randall. Foul call that time on the way up. That'll give him 2 chances. And he's got his first free throw of the game.
Games, and we can move that thing out the way. Thank you.
The first
Like you
And the
gotta be
Spurs
shit
making a
very
change
early
here.
because if not, it's legit gonna be shit very fast.
It's one that misses the second
But you
attempt for
can't
the free
really
throw.
win it because if you hold it too long, you're gonna get no too late. Like every
Here's
time.
Carroll.
Oh no, that's not.
Defensive foul.
He's up there. That's really kind of fun. It's not gonna feel There you go. Oh my God, he fell down when he
Here's
just got
Mills
his feet.
for three.
He screams and just
Here's Carroll.
And
And the
now
lead.
he's trying to hit the basket because he got destroyed. You go and come back and destroyed. That's so funny.
The Knicks making a switch here.
Thank you.
And here comes the break with the lead pass.
Jeez, Randall goes
The
in.
Knicks making a change here.
Mitchell Robinson in the game. Big plays because Mitchell Robinson.
Pass to White. And the jumper is good. 6 points for him. And here is Payton. Barrett. Fires the three. And good on the basket. Book it.
Most any NBA player can make you pay when you leave them that wide open. That's why you have to stay alert on defense.
Here's White. He has 6. And out of bounds as the Knicks gain possession. The Knicks making a switch here. Payton up top. Knox. The three-pointer is right on target. He's got 5.
These defenders are putting up
7
very
4 11
This is a
3. I'm
three-point
just
shot.
like, yeah.
Here's Mills. Pass to game. Here's Mills from outside the arc. No one.
With the success they've had rebounding the basketball, they're right where you'd expect them to be, firmly in control of this game.
And
Tumbling it in.
Got a little room at the rim and laid it in. Great play.
Game with it. And they get it. Another shot. And it's good on the way.
Guys, he's actually indefatigable. He never gives in, never gives up on a play, and that's what it takes to be a great offensive rebounder. You've got to be relentless.
Off the mark and a bad shot there. Here's Mills. No scoring yet from him, but that's likely to change. From 7, that's good.
I think they need to get much more disruptive defensively. They can't just keep allowing these easy baskets.
And out of bounds as the Spurs gain possession. The Knicks making a switch here. Pass the game. Once again off the mark by San Antonio. Barrett. DeRozan with the rebound.
Awesome defense. I mean, he'll hit those unless you're right in his grill. Boy, that's his second foul. Defender a little hesitant to offer resistance as he bursts to the hoop.
Here's Payton. Pass to Gibson. Knox. From 15 feet away, the shot is off. Here's Mills. Now Gabe. Here's Mills. Mills can't hit. Now here's Peyton. Takes the three. Rebounded by the Spurs. Pushing it up. Here's Mills. And he gets it to go.
Really not hard to see why they're giving up points on this run. I mean, they've just given them too many looks inside.
Now Gibson. He has 6. Knox. Stolen. Shot clock at 6. DeRozan on the wing. Shoots it. It's rebounded by Peyton.
He hit a 3 in the first, but so far has been unable to capitalize here in this quarter.
And it's going to be out of bounds. The Spurs will take it. And the Knicks making a change here. Here's San Antonio now. Right now they're on a 9-0 run. Outside, Walker. Makes the lead pass. Lyles. No luck. Harkless with it. He hasn't scored yet. That I'm sure will change.
It took him a little while to get into the flow of this game, but now he's definitely found his stride and rhythm.
Back to DeRozan. San Antonio again missing. 6 seconds separating the shot and game clocks. They get it again. And it's going to be out of bounds. The Spurs will take it.
Lost it out of bounds. Are you kidding me? Hold on to the basketball, man. That's coming out of your paycheck.
San Antonio trailing here. And here's Walker. He's got 10. Pass to DeRozan. Smooth as silk on the finger roll. 9 points in the game so far. Smith with it. Allen right side. Barrett. Got it off in time, but it's no good. And we've reached...
Expecting to see no footage of the third quarter and maybe the fourth quarter, but here you go. Nothing said. Here we go.
Thanks for joining us again as we get set for the fourth quarter. A terrific game so far. Randall. And they cash in right away with the quick shot. And the Spurs with possession. It's a 3-point game. Outside, Walker. DeRozan on the wing. Back to Walker. From the stripe. That one a little long. From half court. But they recover.
Multiple possessions have been the story of the game, and even with the big lead, this team continues to be quicker to the ball.
DeRozan. Pass to Walker to tie it up. Rebound by Smith.
Defense better watch out. They better be alert, because this guy can make threes, as we saw in the first half.
Here's DeRozan. Throws down the breakaway jam. And it's the Knicks with the ball. The biggest lead of the game, 15 points. To the paint. Taken away. Here's White. Pass to Walker. About a minute and a half into the fourth quarter now. Now here is Aldridge. The shot no good.
Not too much congestion in the lane. I think he could have gotten a better shot that time, no question.
Trier bangs brings home the trifecta. 22 points for him.
Wow. Wow. What a great performance from him. He's hit 3 in each half.
Outside, Walker. Second minute off the clock now in the fourth. Pass to White. Down to 5 on the shot clock. Shoots. Right through the cylinder that time. All net.
This is a tremendous solo run he's on. I mean, the kind we've seen him have so many times before.
Barrett. Barrett. Misses the three. And out of bounds as the Knicks gain possession. The Spurs making...
I can't shoot.
A little over 2.5 minutes have passed here in the fourth quarter. Trier. Randall. Now Walker. Pass to White to take the lead. Offensive rebound. And that one's good by Aldridge. Smith with it. Portis. No good on the triple. Well, if you're just tuning in, welcome. We've got about 3.5 minutes gone here in the fourth quarter. From 11 feet away.
Oh my God.
Randall. Smith outside. There's a screen. Just 5 to shoot. Knocked away. Stolen by Walker. Here's White. Smith right side. It's stolen by DeRozan. Here's White. And he misses the go-ahead basket. Fast break. Here we go. And it's out of bounds. The Knicks able to retain possession here. Trier.
We're legit tired now in a defensive game, and you freaking do that.
Here's White.
Please, bro. We can't score also, man.
Pass to Walker to take the lead. Once again off the mark by San Antonio. Here's Smith. Trier. Smith outside. Knocks it loose. 6 of the shots. Fast break, here they come. Pushing it up. White, good. New York trailing. Smith left something. Looking to end the drought. And he lays it up and in. Great game for him. Double-double now. Here's White. Pass to Walker from downtown. That one goes. Come. 21 points in the game. Pass to Aldridge. Backing down. That gives him the double-double.
And something else he has is an array of moves in the paint. You can make a training video for young players to figure out how to play performance here. He's hit 2 3-pointers in each half now.
Trier, a 3-ball. The shot misses. San Antonio leading. DeRozan with it. All alone. Shot no good.
He just has not been able to get into that groove yet, guys. But as a whole, it hasn't affected them too much.
Jacks up a three. That's good. San Antonio's here.
Guys, thank you. I got a chance to hear what Greg Popovich was saying to his team.
San Antonio trailing here. Now here's Walker. Pass to White. Corner shot. They get it back. Back to Aldridge. Here's White. Just 5 to shoot. Smith outside. And a miss there on the triple. Now Walker. And it goes as the official calls the foul. Count it. He'll shoot one more at the free throw line. And that one misses. Barrett. There's the block.
He's been wayward and just off on about everything he's put up in this period. That foul gives him away from being Dairy Queen.
He drops the first one. And second one is good. And both at the line.
Clutch free throws there, fellas. This one's a barn burner. Tight as being an airport laboratory.
Back to Robinson. Pass to Smith. Trier. Gibson with it. Smith outside. And they're moving it up. Stolen away. Here we go, one-on-one. Contract in the layup with 2 shots coming up. Got one more though. You can't make the second free throw either. This is both. Here's Walker. DeRozan on the wing. Uncovered. Over off the back of the rim. Here's Gibson. It falls. And that shot brings them to within just one. Guys, this possession could decide their fate.
So that means they've got to be very careful with the basketball right now.
Here's White. Pass to Aldridge. Right side Aldridge. Can't connect from 14 feet out.
Defense better not make a habit of giving him that shot. I mean, he doesn't miss many of them.
So he gets them both, and it's
Absolutely massive free throw. That'll force him into a three-point attempt.
Trier. Out to Smith. From long range. Bullseye. Tremendous three to tie it up.
His eyes were wide open.
Overtime, actually, please, like, someone finish it. I can't go to overtime. I actually, like, legit can't. I'm just Chris Jones trying to keep me from doing that.
Here's White. Got it! New York calls
Dude,
time.
I think I said something immediately. You blew by my guy. So why would I be here? Why do you think you're Alright, now I think you finished it. Who's gonna finish it? Who's gonna last the game?
It's stolen by DeRozan. And there's the whistle called a clear path foul there. Yep. And he'll shoot to the goal.
Imagine that's how you are.
His free throw is good, and that. And he hits both free throws in. So now
That's exactly how you close a game out. Those free throws will bury him for sure.
Defense at the end of the play. And we're gonna lose this game. Bro, you didn't even do good. You shot like 83 and just missed. Oh, thanks for 800 VC. That's great. That helps my self-esteem. For us, it was a pretty decent game. Dennis Smith Jr. had 27. Zaire gets 22. Barrett dropped 18. And just in the end, it wasn't enough to really. It wasn't enough to help us get the win. Well, I'm actually sad. I really thought we could win that game as well. Like, that game was like in our favor for like 90% of the time, and we just couldn't pull off at the end. Ah, that's so annoying. But thank you all for watching. Next video, I will take on the Nets and probably the Celtics. I'll probably simulate to like maybe January, and then we'll see where we are from there. But my 6